What is this? Where's it coming from?
Wait, you don't do that.
Hey, what's glamour called?
You go like,
Oh.
right in the camera.
Round two, round two.
Thanks, Andrew.
Yeah! Let's go! Let's go!
Hey, Robert's eating a Sammy, only good.
Robert's eating a sandwich?
Sandwich on quick draw.
He's got the Sammy, dude. Oh, the goat's in the back. What's up?
Oh, the homie gap. Oh, sick drop.
Okay.
And the check drop you buy it. That was the tip.
Same thing?
What? No, I mean,
What are you doing?
I don't know, whatever you want.
Can I play rock, paper, scissors? No, that's lame. We can just stare at the camera. Right, 2, part 1, drop 1. Like, comment, subscribe.
I've never noticed that house before. That's awesome.
Let's go!
Wow! This thing goes crazy! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Please! Please!
Oh my god! It's in my asshole. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's the aftershock. Dude. Oh my god.
I couldn't see it all until I stared at the flat.
Dude, Matt, sandwich is like crushed in my bag. We're going number 3 now. Oh yeah, no. Be sure to watch your kids.
Yep, we're here back. Hi, welcome to the Haunted Mansion tour.
Hey guys, we're here in
Disney.
Space Mountain. We're going up right now.
Nighttime Disney ride.
That's pretty good.
5, 4,
3, 2, 1.
let's go! Why does it feel so warm? Like I got misted from like warming.
Yeah, I don't know. It's going bad.
I'm going to college. Wow.
Okay. Oh my god, Brer Cliff?
Oh my god.
Brer Grass?
Rare air? That's the last 2 times.
They were shopping. No, they're actually at the front
I just
now.
got flashbang by that.
Yeah, what the fuck? First round, let's go, baby!
I've never been on this ride before.
Yeah, I wonder
Very
what's gonna
excited.
happen.
First time of the decade. First time I've ever ridden this ride. My 3rd time tonight. First time.
Let's go! Drop 1! For the fans? For the fans, for real? Not a gain. We hear a gain, 3rd time.
Get out of my head, get out of my head.
Ow, ow, fuck. Let's go, drop number 2, right 3, let's go!
So, you're looking for a laughing place.
Wow, I got not wet at all that right. Oh my god, it's a goblin.
That is what I'm saying.
That's what I'm saying. Like a CSGO flashbang.
Rare melon.
Brer Chug Jug? Fortnite.